Good morning, students. So today we are going to see the lesson of third class term 1 English subject. So this is our lesson. We have seen this lesson. Let's help each other. In this lesson, we have seen the importance of helping each other and being friends. So we will see the objective of this lesson. So our first bit is complete these sentences, that is fill in the blanks. So our first question is, many young boys came to stay and study with the wise sage. So our first question, once again I will repeat, many young boys came to stay and study with the sage. So second is, the teacher told the boys not to fight because we are all children of God. Yes, the sage said that to the boys that we should not fight, we are all children of God. One day the wise teacher decided to teach the boys a lesson because the group of boys were naughty and they are always fighting with each other. So the sage decided to teach the lesson. So next, because of the stick, the boys could not eat the food they were served, because the teacher or the sage tied the stick to the boys and they could not eat the food they were served. Next, last one, the boys were feeding each other and so on. The boys were feeding each other and soon they felt like they were old friends. So the teacher wants to taught the lesson to the boys or to their students, and the students learned the lesson and they felt like they were old friends. Next bit is fill in the blanks with the correct words to make positive sentence. So our next bit is fill in the blanks with the correct words to make positive sentence. Before we will fill the blanks, we have to know about positive and negative sentences. So we will see what is positive sentence and what is negative sentence. So a sentence that make positive statement is called positive sentence. It means, you can see the example, I like to read books. It is a positive sentence. Whereas in a negative sentence, we use no or not in that sentence. You can see example, I am not going to read my book. It is negative sentence because we are using not or no in these sentences. Whereas positive sentences, we are not using no or not. So this is the difference between positive sentence and negative sentence. Now we will fill the blanks. So we have in this bit only they have given to fill the positive sentences. They have given the options. We have to choose the correct option and we have to fill the blank correctly. If we work together, we can finish this project early, because we are using can, because this is we have to correct words to make positive sentence. We have to make a correct word by using positive sentence. So next one, I will do my homework in the morning after I eat my breakfast. So here we used will. We didn't use will not because we have to make positive sentence. So that's why we have used will. Today is your 8th birthday. You are 8 years old. Here we used are. Father will pick you up from the airport. So will. And next bit is change these sentences into negative sentences. Use the words in the box. So in the upper bit in the above bit we have make the sentences positive sentences, and next below bit we have to make the sentences as negative sentence. Here they have given the words. By using these words we have to make the negative sentence. You should eat junk food often. Here they have given positive sentence, and by using these words we have to make negative sentence. Here should not. You should not eat junk food often. Here you have to write in the notes as a negative sentence. I am writing here short form, and you have to write. You have to rewrite this total sentence. Manav and Samira visit their grandparents every weekend. This is they have given positive sentence and I am changing into negative sentence. Manav and Seema do not visit their grandparents every weekend. Neeta can sing very well. So here they have given positive sentence. We have to change negative sentence. Here Neeta cannot sing very well. I will ride my cycle from the top of the hill. Here we have to change in negative sentence. So I will not ride my cycle from the top of the hill. So this is the negative and positive sentence. And here synonyms of the words in capital letters. Synonyms means similar words. Here you can see fight similar word is quarrel. So at the same time here they have given the words, some 5 words. We have to see the synonym of that given word. Award, prize, book, chocolate. They have given award word. So we have to find out the synonym. Synonym is equal to similar word. So award is equal to prize. Little, small. Sad means unhappy. Shout, yell. Teacher, another similar word, coach. So here next bit is write the antonyms of these words. Here antonym means opposite words. So they are given some words. We have to write opposite words to that given words. So old means new or young. Small means big. Good, bad. Tall, short. Cold, hot. Sad, happy. So these are the opposite words, and another opposite words are also called as antonyms. So look at the picture, write the sentence in the correct order to complete the story. So they are given some pictures and they are given some sentences. So these sentences are not in order. So we have to see the pictures and we have to write in correct order. So I have given the numbers in the correct order. So you have to write in this. So you have to write the story in the homework. So today's homework is you have to see the picture and write the correct sentences in order. And next homework is positive sentence and negative sentence. I hope you have understood this objective. Thank you.